Do you ever wonder how influencers fly fancy cabins and live in 5-star hotels without going broke? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal their secrets to you, and I'm going to teach you how to use the Chase Ultimate Rewards program, which is one of the most popular credit card rewards program out there. We're going to walk through what they are, how do you earn them, and most importantly, how do you use them. Remember to stay to the end because I'm going to reveal to you how 90% of travel hackers use their points to get incredible travel. Number 1. What are Chase points? Chase's credit card rewards program is called Chase Ultimate Rewards, where you can earn points through credit card expenses. At the most basic level, you can imagine I'm going to give you $1. In return, Chase is going to give you 1 penny back, or 1 point specifically. And the great thing about Chase points, they never expire. Number 2. So how do you earn Chase points? First, in order to participate in Chase Ultimate Rewards, you will need to own a Chase branded credit card, and here are several of the personal and business cards listed on screen. For beginners, there are 3 buckets that you can think of on how you would earn Chase Ultimate Reward points. The main big bucket, for every $1 you spend, that you get 1 point back no matter what on all the credit cards that you have. The second bucket that you have is called the bonus category. Depending on what card, what type of retailer that you're going to, instead of getting 1 point, you would get 2 to 10 points. And the third bucket is called the bonus promotions bucket. Many promotions involve spending a fixed amount of money in order to get a fixed amount of points back, usually much higher than a normal spend. One of the most common promotions is the sign up offer promotion. You sign up for a brand new credit card that you will have to spend a certain amount in order to get a very large points. Many travel hackers use this method to build and accumulate credit card points. Now that you know how to earn these Chase points, so where do you find them? On your PC or Mac, the Chase web portal has the Ultimate Rewards program balance listed here, and on the Chase mobile app, the points balance is listed here. If this video was useful to you, can you please hit the like and subscribe button below, because it will definitely help this channel reach more families and parents to teach them how to travel for more for less. So now you know how to earn them, where to find them, so how do you use them. I'm going to start with the most easiest and least effort of all, going to most complex and most effort for people to use these points. Number 1 is called the pay yourself back method, which is basically you can either erase credit card charges that you put onto your credit card, or you can send money directly to your bank account. So for example, if you send 10,000 points, you would get $100. Using this method, you would get 1 point is basically 1 cent. On the second method, you can go to the Chase portal and buy gift cards where you can use at retailers for shopping. Number 3, you can buy Apple products directly from the Chase portal. Number 4, if you're a family like us, we use Amazon.com often, and you can link your Amazon.com with your Chase Ultimate Rewards account directly, and you will be able to use your points inside your Amazon.com cart. Number 5, you can use points inside the Chase dining portal. You can pick up food, you can book reservations. Number 6, travel. Chase has a travel portal where you can book hotels, flights, rental cars, all through using either points or even cash. If you plan to use cash, this would fall into second bucket that I talked about, the bonus category. The Chase portal offers a higher bonus category. This is one of the advantages of using the Chase portal. Number 7, the method that most travel influencers / travel hackers use, and this is where you directly transfer your points to an airline or hotel rewards program. In order to transfer, you need to have one of these specific Chase cards transferred to a travel partner. So you might be asking, why do you even transfer? Why not just use the Chase travel portal? Well, this is where the secret lies. You would use a lot less points in order to fly or stay at that exact same property. Here's a quick example. Instead of purchasing this business class flight for $5,000, you could transfer to this travel partner and use this amount of points and pay for a fraction of the price. One of the main points I like to point out, once you transfer, it can no longer transfer them back. It is a one-way transfer. And if you want to learn more on how to transfer your points and travel more for less, check out this next video where I teach you how.